Hello dear students, today we are going to start new topic and that is subtraction. Okay, firstly I will tell you important points of the subtraction. Number 1 is subtraction means take away. Subtraction का क्या मतलब होता है? Take away, कुछ ले लेना, means कुछ वापस ले लेना. ठीक है, जब हम किसी को कुछ देते हैं तो हम कुछ उसमें से कुछ वापस ले लेते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड सब्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स माइनस. फाइन. नंबर 2 पॉइंट इज द सिंबल ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन इज. अब सब्ट्रैक्शन को हम मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स में इसका सिंबल क्या होता है, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले एडिशन का सिंबल बताया था, इन दिस सेम वे देयर इज़ अ सिंबल ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑल्सो. हम सब्ट्रैक्शन को कैसे लिखते हैं कि जब हम सम्स करते हैं तो हम तो सब्ट्रैक्शन वर्ड नहीं लिखेंगे ना उसमें, वी विल पुट द सिंबल. सो व्हाट इज़ द सिंबल ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन? वी राइट सिंबल ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन like this horizontal line, a very small horizontal line. Fine. So this is the symbol of subtraction. Now number 3, the other name of subtraction is minus. Other means दूसरा, name means नाम. सब्ट्रैक्शन का दूसरा नाम क्या है? सब्ट्रैक्शन का दूसरा नाम है माइनस. So these are important points of subtraction. Now to make it more clear to all of you, let us do some activity on it. Now dear students, let us do some interesting activity on subtraction. So here I am going to do activity with the help of objects which are available at home. So now firstly I am using cello tapes. So listen carefully. I gave 3 tapes to my friend. Fine. So listen again. I gave 3 tapes to my friend and I took away 2 tapes. मैंने 2 tapes उससे वापस ले ली. So listen again. 1, 2, 3. I gave him 3 tapes. I took away 2 tapes. Fine. So 3 and 2. Between these I put here symbol of subtraction also, which I already told you. Fine. This is a symbol of subtraction. So I am also putting here lines to make better clear to you. So 3, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 tapes, number is 3 and I have also draw here 3 lines. So out of 3 tapes I took back 2 tapes. Fine. मैंने उसे 2 tapes वापस ले ली. So 3 minus 2. So out of 3 I took away 2 tapes. मैंने उसे 2 tapes वापस ले ली. तो क्या करेंगे? We will cut here 2 lines, 1 and 2. So how many lines are left here? 1. Okay, how many lines are left here? 1. Means only 1 tape is left with me. But before writing answer, we put here symbol of equals to. Fine. Which symbol is this? This is equals to, which you already know. So I am left with only 1 tape. So here 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Fine. I hope all of you understood this example very clearly. Now let's move towards another example. Now here second example is I am placing here 4 sharpeners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here are 4 sharpeners which I gave away to my sister. मैंने अपनी सिस्टर को दिए. So what happened? After some time I took back 2 sharpeners. Fine. मैंने उससे 2 sharpeners वापस ले लिए. Now what is the number here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. here I am going to write 4. So this is symbol of subtraction. All of you know 4 minus. So this is 1 and 2. I gave 4 sharpeners and I took back 2 sharpeners. Fine. So how many are left with me? Again we will put here lines. 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many I got back? मैंने कितने ले लिए? 1 and 2. I took back 2. Now how many are left with me? 1 and 2. So here what will come here? Here I am going to place 2 sharpeners. 2. Same again here is equal to, and answer is 2. Fine. Now I am repeating again. I gave 4 sharpeners to my sister. I took back 2. Okay. Now how many are left? 2 are left. So this is another example of subtraction. Now we will move towards another example. Now let us move towards another example. So I gave beads 1, 2, 3 and 4 beads to my friend again. Okay. So I took back 1. I took away 1 bead. Here I am putting symbol of subtraction again. Fine. So how many beads I had given? मैंने कितने beads दिए थे? 4 beads. Fine. Symbol of subtraction. I took away 1 bead. मैंने 1 उससे ले लिया. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 lines are there. So I took away 1. I am going to cut here 1 line. So how many are left now? 1, 2, 3. So how many are left with her now? 3. Okay. So what was the example? I gave 4 beads to my friend. I took away 1. So how many are left with her? 3. 1, 2 and 3. So in numbers here we can write 3 like this. I hope all of you understood this example also. Now let us move towards another example. Here I gave 9 matchsticks to someone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I gave 9 matchsticks to someone. Fine. And I took away 7 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now again I am going to write numbers. So these are 9 matchsticks which I gave away someone. 9 and I took away 7. मैंने उससे 7 वापस ले ली. Here again I will draw here 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many I took back? मैंने उससे कितनी वापस ले ली थी? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I took away 7. How many are left now? 1 and 2. So how many are left? How many are left with her? Only 2 matchsticks. 1 and 2. So here the number 2. Fine. I am going to repeat again. I gave 9 matchsticks to my friend and I took away 7. So how many are left with her now? उसके पास कितनी बच गई? 2 matchsticks. and in numbers we can write 9 minus 7 equals to 2. So I hope all of you understood it properly. So do practice it. Bye. Have a nice day everyone. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.